Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel to autofill. First, select the cell or range of cells containing the data you want to extend. Look for the small square, known as the fill handle, at the bottom right corner of your selection. This handle is your key to efficient data replication and pattern recognition within your spreadsheets. It's a powerful tool for streamlining your work. To use the fill handle, simply click and hold your mouse button on it. Then, drag it either downwards to fill cells in a column or across to fill cells in a row. As you drag, Excel intelligently anticipates the next values in your sequence, whether it's numbers, dates, or custom lists. Releasing the mouse button will instantly populate the selected range with the generated data. After you've dragged the fill handle, a small Autofill Options button will appear near the filled range. Click this button to reveal a menu of choices. You can select options like Copy Cells to duplicate the original data or Fill Series to continue a pattern. Other useful options include filling only the formatting or filling without any formatting, giving you precise control over your data. For a super fast autofill, especially with long columns, double-click the fill handle. This method works when there's adjacent data in the column to the left. Excel will automatically fill down to the last row that has data in the neighboring column. It's a fantastic shortcut for quickly populating extensive lists without needing to drag the handle manually, saving you significant time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.